Hey everyone, welcome. Did you know that almost everything around you, from the clothes you wear to the medicines you take, contains organic compounds? It's pretty amazing, right? A lot of students find organic chemistry difficult because of all the different names and reactions. It's easy to get lost. This video is going to break down organic chemistry into simple, easy to understand steps. And the best part? Synapse AI helps you practice and remember everything you learn. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what organic chemistry actually is. It's basically the study of compounds that contain carbon. Now, this is super important for your ICSE exams. You'll see lots of questions from this chapter, so pay close attention. Now, let's talk about hydrocarbons. These are the simplest organic compounds, made of just carbon and hydrogen. Think of methane, ethane, and propane, they're everywhere. These hydrocarbons can form chains or rings. The way these atoms are arranged determines the properties of the compound. Now, here's a key definition. A hydrocarbon is any organic compound containing only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Remember that. Next, we'll look at homologous series. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds that have similar chemical properties and a general formula. They differ by a CH2 group. Each member of the series has slightly different physical properties, but their reactions are quite similar. Now, let's look at a very important formula. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n+2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. This tells you how many hydrogen atoms are attached to each carbon atom in the alkane. Now, let's move on to functional groups. These are specific atoms or groups of atoms within a molecule that are responsible for the characteristic chemical reactions of that molecule. For example, alcohols contain the O group, while carboxylic acids contain the Cu group. These groups dictate how the molecule will react. The properties of the compound are determined by the functional group. Now, here's an important rule to remember. Saturated compounds have only single bonds, while unsaturated compounds have double or triple bonds. Keep that in mind. Here's a key point to remember. Most students confuse between empirical and molecular formula. Always remember that molecular formula is the actual number of atoms in a molecule, whereas empirical formula is the simplest whole number ratio. Now, let's solve a typical ICSE exam question. Q. Write the structural formula of ethane. Uns. Ethane has 2 carbon atoms. Each carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, forming a single bond between the carbons. The formula is CH3CH3. Here's a real-world application. Think about plastics. They are made from long chains of organic molecules called polymers. Understanding organic chemistry helps us create different types of plastics with different properties. Remember these exam tips. First, always draw the structures clearly. Examiners want to see that you understand the bonding. Second, practice naming organic compounds using IUPAC nomenclature. Third, don't forget to balance chemical equations. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. We covered hydrocarbons, which are the backbone of organic chemistry. Then, we talked about homologous series and their properties. Finally, we explored functional groups and their roles in determining chemical reactions. All of this, including AI notes, doubt solving, and practice tests for organic chemistry, is available for free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start your free trial today at synapse.omups.in. Master Organic Chemistry for ICSE. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.